Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Monkey D. Luffy in Infinite Craft. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Put earth on the empty space and add water to get plant. Add plant to get tree. Add tree to get forest. Add forest to get jungle. Put plant on the empty space and add wind to get dandelion. Combine jungle and dandelion to get monkey. Add wind to get monkey king. Put water on the empty space and add water to get lake. Put fire on the empty space and add fire to get volcano. Combine volcano and lake to get island. Add water to get ship and then add lake to get pirate. Combine monkey king and pirate to get monkey D. Luffy. So this is how you can make Monkey D. Luffy in Infinite Craft. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.